Very good morning, students. Today, this video, we are going to learn about the business environment. Business environment is coming under the unit number 4. First, we have to see the introduction part. Introduction about the business environment. Each and every business, the business person has to understanding the environment. There is different environment is there, and how it will help the business people to run the business, and what are the various factors which are affecting through this environment for the business. Here I mention understanding the environment within which the business has to operate is very important for running a business unit successfully at any place. Whatever the place, wherever the place you are choosing, the business should run, whatever the business it is. Before we have to start the business, you supposed to do the feasibility study on that. What feasibility study? You supposed to find out whether the location of the particular business is okay for that or not. That you have to find out. That's why I told understanding the environment within which the business has to operate is very important for running a business unit successfully at any place. The environmental factors influence almost every aspect of business, be it is nature, its location, the prices of products, distribution system, or the personal policies. What are the various factors influencing? First one is nature of the business. If you want to start a hotel business, you are supposed to find out the location where more people commuting on the particular area. You have to select that. Then only the people will come and have a food and take the food and become a customer for your business. So first one is location. That is the first influencing factors. The second influencing factors, the prices of the product. The prices should be nominal for the customers. It may be nominal for a low level customers or a rich customers or a poor customers. Based upon the customer wealth, it varies. So the prices is also one of the influence of the environmental factors. The third one is distribution system. See here, distribution system. How the product has to be moved from seller to buyer or buyer to seller or supplier to seller. So these are all the things we call them as a distribution of the products or movements of the products. That is also one of the major influence based upon the environmental factors. And some personal policies. Personal policies in the sense it is talking about the employer and the employee. So that is called interpersonal relationships among employee and the employer. Now we are going to discuss about the definition. Business environment may be defined as the total surroundings which have a direct or indirect bearing on the functioning of business. I repeat that business environment may be defined as the total surroundings. Total surroundings in the sense of society, and different environmental factors are there that we are going to see in the next 2 or 3 slides after. Total surroundings which have a direct or indirect bearing in the particular business. You may have an example, maybe your friends or your father or your relations, anyone, they may started a business long back, but immediately within a year they wind up the business. If you go and ask the reason for that, they will clearly tell these are all the factors. My location was worst, no customers enter into my business, I can't sell my products, I have some political issues, I have some technological problems. For my business, number of competitors came. So these are all the different reasons maybe they will tell. So as a business people, as a BBA students or a BCom students, you should clearly do the feasibility study, that is called analysis of the environment. we should analyze the environment. Once you get an analysis and you will get some result over that, based upon the result you can choose which business can able to run in that environment. Clear? So the lot of problems will come for the business. Maybe direct problem may come, sometimes indirect problems may come and disturb your business. All these things we have to tackle if you want to run a business for a successful getting profit. There is another definition I gave. It may also be defined as the set of external factors. What are all the external factors I had listed out here? Economic factors, social factors, political factors, legal factors, demographic factors, and technical factors. These are all the various external factors. There are two types of factors are there in a business environment. Number one, external factors. Number two, internal factors. Under the external factors, we have a lot of external factors there. Economic factors, social factors based upon the society. That is also one of the major factor for successful of the business and non-successful for the business. Some political issues may come. That is also one of the major factors, political factors. Number three. Number four, legal factors. Number five, demographic factors. Demographic in the sense location, where you are chosen that particular location for your business. That is very important. Technical factors. Nowadays, most of the business are running only because of technology. All the business is happening through online. Without seeing the customer, without seeing the seller, without touching the product will reach the customer. How? Due to evolution of the technology. Nowadays, most of the people purchasing their products, it may be a home appliances, it may be a car, it may be a bike, it may be any products. Nowadays, in a metropolitan city area, people they don't have time to visit the shops. Instead of that, they will open a web browser and type that and find out a very good business online and choose that product, select the product based upon the price. Everything will be clearly given by the companies, and they will get the product in the hand through the delivery boy. So without seeing the seller, without seeing the customer, even without touching the product, the business are going very successfully. That is one of the major advantages nowadays in the current 2020. Technologically, all the business are updated very well. So these are all the factors which are uncontrollable. These are all the factors which are uncontrollable in nature. Uncontrollable in nature and affects the business decisions of a firm. And it also includes the internal factors of the business. What are the internal factors? We had discussed about the external factors. Likewise, internal factors is also there. Internal factors, what are all the things we call them as an internal factors, you know? Internal factors means owners, employees, relationship with each other among the owners and employees. Owner we call them as an employer. The people working in one particular company under the employer we call them as the employees. They should have a proper interpersonal relationship which can be controlled to some extent. Which one is uncontrollable? External factors is uncontrollable. That's why I told in the previous definition, indirect bearing. Direct bearing, the problem always come among the employees and employer. That may be sorted out. It is very easy to control. So employer and employee, they should have the good interpersonal relationship to run a business to the next level. So this is very important. You are supposed to learn this very clearly. I am repeat the definition. It may also be defined as the set of external factors such as economic factors, social factors, political factors, and legal factors, and demographic factors, technical factors. These are all the factors which are uncontrollable in nature and affect the business decisions of a firm. But controllable things, what all things are there? Owners and employees and their relationship. It is easy to control. They can sit and do some brainstorming. They can control. They can create a very good bondage among them. Obviously, the business can run. But external factors, lot of problems will come. Due to social factors, some problems may come. Due to economic factors, some problems may come. Due to political factors, some problems will affect the business. Some legal factors will affect. Sometimes technological factors, demographic factors, the business may have facing lot of issues. These are all things uncontrollable, but we can control. And how to control, we have to learn. As a business student, you should know how we have to control the external factors. Clear? I hope you understand the definition. Now I am going to discuss about the futures of business environment. What is the first future? The futures of business environment can be summarized as follows. A. Business environment is a sum total of all factors external to the business firm and the generally influence our functioning. All the business is a combination of both external and internal. Internal factors already it is mandatory, is already existed. External factors, we are supposed to sum total of all factors external to the particular business firm and that always influencing for the functioning. Without society, you can't run a business. Without obeying the political issues, we can't run the business. Without following the legal formalities, we can't run the business. Even without technology, we can't run the business. That's why in a business environment, there is abbreviated word is there, PEST. P for political, E for economic, S for social, and T for technological. There is a first futures. The second futures, it covers factors and forces like customers, competitors, suppliers, government, and the social, cultural, political, technological, and legal conditions. That is a second future. I will explain that. What is another other factors covers? Lot of forces like more customers will come to your business. What you have to do, you supposed to satisfy the customer in the form of quality products and very good reasonable pricing for the product. That is also one of the challenging for the business people. If you start a new business in your area, immediately within a couple of months, another number of competitors may come forward. You supposed to face that challenge also. So competitors also one of the major force to stop your business or to decrease the profit of your business. That things also we have to consider for challenging. Suppliers, sometimes some customer booking a bulk order in your business. If the supplier refused to supply the products, you supposed to get a bad image over the customer, which is not able to deliver the product on time. So suppliers is also one of the major thing we supposed to maintain a good relationship with the suppliers. Government, every day or every month or every year, the government will set different rules and regulations for the business people in the form of tax, in the form of different things. We have to obey that and we have to adopt over the business based upon the government policies also. And the social factors is also one of the major criteria. Society, in society, a lot of people are there. Each and every people are differ in their character, differ in their behavior. But all the society is considered as a customer for your business. So you supposed to tackle all the cultural factors among the society. Cultural, different culture people living in your area. All the different culture people will become a customer for your business. You are not able to run a business for a one culture alone. It is not possible. Lot of people having a different religions. Clear? Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Jainism, Buddhism, these are the different religious people living in our country in India. All the people having a different taste of having a food, all the people wearing a cloth in a different style, all the people using the product in the different style. So based upon their religion, their regular usage of the products and regular usage of behavior will be differ. But as a business people, we supposed to carrying out all the business, all the religious people as a one single word, call them as a customer. Clear? Political factors is also one of the thing. I told you just previous slide what all the political issues will come. Technological factors, we supposed to up to date on a technology. That is very important. Legal conditions also in the major criteria to overcome your business. The next feature C, it also includes the internal factors of the business. What are the internal factors? I told you in the previous slide, owners, employees and the relationship with each other is a major factors that we call them as an internal factors. So that is also one of the major features of the business environment. Next one, business environment differs from place to place, that you know. I can run a business in my country. The same business, it is not possible to start in any other country because the people are differ, behaviors are differ, their culture is differ, their society is differ, a number of barriers may come and you supposed to overcome them. Even now you can check that Pepsi is one of the world biggest networking cool drinks company, as running a business successfully all over the world. What you are having a Pepsi, the same Pepsi we are also having here. What you are having the Coke cool drinks, we are also using that. How it is possible? They had studied the environment very well before they enter into the business. You are also using the Hyundai company cars. We are also using the Hyundai company cars. Other country people also using the Hyundai company cars. How? Based upon that different country expectations, different country people expectations, the business they are running. Clear? So the business environment is differ from place to place, region to region, country to country. So it varies. Political conditions in India differ from those in Pakistan. I gave an example only like India and Pakistan. Here in India, political conditions differ. The same political condition is not matched with the next country or neighboring country's political conditions. It varies. If you take a US political conditions, it is not 100% accepted by the Indian political conditions. It varies. So based upon the political conditions also, the business will affect, and we have to tackle that. Next, taste and values cherished by people in India and China vary considerably. Yes, of course, everyone has to accept this. How we have to accept? If you take the company like KFC, globalized, they are running a business in a different countries. Most of the people living in the world using that product. In India, maximum people don't like the non-veg, but even though they are getting a maximum income in the Asian continent only from India. How come it is possible? They are converting the people as a customer for their business. That converting is very important. Whatever the business you are doing, we are supposed to convert them very easily. So we have to convert the taste, and we have to convert the values, and we have to obey, and we have to behave based upon the people taste and people values. That is also one of the major features of business environment. I hope enjoy this video. Any doubt, you can forward the messages, doubt, any questions related to the features of business environment through this video. Have a nice day. We will see you in the next video with a very good topic. Thank you very much.